Hello everyone. This Instagram account garners millions of views by simply creating short clips of a cozy living room with large windows showing snow falling outside. And guess what? All of this is generated using artificial intelligence. It's quite simple, and you'll be able to do it too after watching this video. Today I'll show you how to create an amazing, relaxing Christmas video for your lo-fi channel using AI for both the visuals and the music. Let's dive right in. First, we'll focus on creating the visual aspect. For this, we'll need an AI-powered image generator. I'll guide you through the process using Midjourney and Leonardo AI. If you have a subscription to Midjourney, the whole process will be much smoother for you. Before we generate the image with AI, let's take a screenshot of one of the viral videos. Just press the print screen key like this, and make sure to crop it accordingly. Next, we'll open our Midjourney Discord server and type describe. Then drag and drop the cropped screenshot into the designated image field and hit enter. What we've done here is instead of coming up with descriptions ourselves, we asked Midjourney to describe the image for us. Look at this. It provided 4 different descriptions of the image. Let's generate all of them. They look fantastic. I've scaled one of them up. Now we need to change the image size to 16.9, which looks much better. Let's save the images. We've got some great results. Now, for those who don't have Midjourney, I'll quickly show you how to use Leonardo AI. Simply log in or sign up, then go to Create Image. Choose a model, such as Dreamshaper V7. Enter your music query, select the aspect ratio, and click Generate. It's that easy. You receive 150 credits daily along with a commercial license for each generated image. Just scale up your favorite images and download them to your computer. For the next step, you'll need to make the windows transparent. You can use any image editor you prefer, but if you don't have one available, try Photopea. It's free and can be accessed online, so there's no need to download any software. Just click Open from Computer and upload your AI-generated image. On the left, you'll find all the editing tools. Click on the last tool and select Polygonal Lasso. Now click on each corner of the window until the selection tool connects. Then press Delete on your keyboard to cut out all the windows and create a clean look. Once you're done, click File, then Export As. Choose PNG, rename the file, and click Save. Review your finished image, and if there's anything you want to change, return to Photopea, make the adjustments, and export, and save it again. Next, let's look at our video reference. We see a winter village with small houses and snow in the background. We'll use the describe function again. And for that, we need a reference image. Let's head to Adobe Stock and search for Winter Village. This one looks perfect. Let's download it and then go back to Midjourney. Type describe and drag the image into the Midjourney image field, then press enter. This will generate all 4 queries. It's impressive. Enlarge the image and download it. Now, we're going to combine the 2 images we created. You can use any video editing software you like, but we'll use CapCut since it's free and user-friendly. Open a new project and simply drag both images onto the timeline, ensuring the Winter Village image is placed beneath the other image. Next, let's add some snow. Head to YouTube and search for beautiful snow on a green screen. If you want to create a longer video, it's a good idea to download snow footage that lasts about an hour. Once downloaded, import it into CapCut. We'll remove the green background by selecting the chroma key option and using the color picker to select the green color from the background. The results are fantastic. However, the snow appears too large, so resize it, then copy and paste it to position it throughout the scene. Look at the progress so far. It looks amazing. Now, let's generate the music using MooBot, which is an incredible tool. You can either input a text query, upload an image, or select a genre for song generation. We'll input a text query. Let's enter Christmas Relax Music. Next, we need to choose the type of song. You can select between a track, loop, mix, or jingle. We'll go with a loop, allowing us to repeat the track as needed. You can also opt to create multiple different tracks and combine them later. Finally, let's set the song duration to 3 minutes and click Generate Track. That's it. The song will be created in a few minutes, and here it is. Wonderful. Let's download it. After that, click Continue. And here's our music. Let's add it to CapCut. To enhance our visuals further, go to YouTube and search for Candle Green Screen. Download it and import it into CapCut. Just like we did with the snow, remove the green screen, then position it where there's a candle in your image. This small addition makes a subtle yet impactful change. However, it enhances the realistic effect of our visuals. Now let's do the same for fire. Follow the same steps as before. Once you're finished, export the video by going to the File Export menu. And here's the result. Now, if you want to upload a clip to Instagram or TikTok, open a new project and import the video. Click on the ratio option and change it to 9:16, which will set it to portrait mode. Enlarge the video to fill the entire frame, then adjust its position to the right as necessary. Next, go to the Position and Size section, click on the keyframe, drag the timeline slider to the end of the video, and then move the video all the way to the left. That's it. When you play the video, it should look great. Now you can simply export it, and there you have your TikTok, Instagram Reel, or YouTube Short. Create amazing, relaxing Christmas content or stunning Instagram Reels. Monetize your channel and have fun while doing it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.